How to create a new Steam account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Steam application. Now tap on Don't have a Steam account. Now enter your email address and tap on Continue. Now go back to your home screen and open up your Gmail. Now tap on Verify my email address. Now go back to your web browser and enter your Steam account name. Choose your password and tap on Done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.